Okay, this is test number 1 of 0.9mm 304 stainless steel wire being deposited at 30,000 RPM onto aluminum oxide to try and form resistive tracks. We are printing at 45mm per minute on the surface feed and an XZ feed of 8, ratio of 80. That's a Z plunge of 0.125 and an X surface distance of 10mm. So I'm going to turn the spindle on and start the deposition. Contact. Go to deposition. A lot of shaking and bending and flexing going on there. This is also a fairly thick deposit. Oh, there's something here. Oh, wow. Yeah. Definitely. Not very continuous, but we'll try again. Video off.